The Edo State House of Assembly don clear Honorable Samson Osagie as the Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General designated. But the clearance for Dr. Siri Oshomole, pikin of Senator Adams Oshomole, dem delay am until the next plenary on Monday 18 November 2024. The move followed the appointment wey the newly sworn-in 6th Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, make for the two commissioner nominees, and the Clerk of the House, Yahaya Amogbai, read am for plenary.
Forwarding of names of Commissioner Nominee. I write at the instance of the Governor of Edo State, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, to forward the following names as Commissioner Nominee to the House of Assembly for confirmation. 1. Dr. Samson Osagie, proposed as Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, and 2. Dr. Siri Adams Oshomole, proposed as Commissioner for Health. The early confirmation of the nominee is respectfully solicited. Please accept the assurances of the warm regard expressed to the Governor of Edo State. Signed, Ero Goa Spire, the HOS.
Member wey represent Ovia North East constituency Honorable Charity Agwabaweyan moved the motion to clear the nomination of Honorable Samson Osagie as Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General for Edo State, while member wey represent Uwonde constituency Honorable Casey Unoma Osawonyi second the motion.
My name is Charity Agwabaweyan. I'm the member representing the very sagacious people of Ovia North East constituency. By God's grace, the majority leader of this noble house. Mr. Speaker, I have taken very ardent listening to the listing of names for commissionership position nominees as they were. And interestingly, sir, I find a nomination for the #1 commissioner position, a position that enjoys the singularity of a nation in our constitution. Mr. Speaker, not just because of the nobility of the occupant of that office as it does stipulate, but the function of the height and nobility of the profession itself, that whenever a lawyer is mentioned, a learned man, our case is always different. And because of the privacy of the position of the Attorney General in the day-to-day working of any government, Section 195, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria made particular mention of this position, defending it and giving credence to his privacy. Little wonder, Mr. Speaker, that it means the very attention of the new government on the first day of official assumption to bring to this house a nomination in the name of a person that is known to all of us, a legal luminary of no repute, a legislator by excellence, a man whose very huge intellectual prowess have destroyed this hallowed chamber like a colossus. Even though I cannot say that. Why? Even though I cannot say that in size, but in intellect. His name is to this submitted, a senior member of this chamber. And he also have the privilege of being at the national level as the minority Deputy Leader of the House of Representatives. Minority Whip of the House of Representatives. At the mention of his name, even the devil wept. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to apply that in view of his apparent qualification and the fact of his seniority to us, not only in having done 8 years here in this chamber, but he has also done 8 at the upper chamber. I don't think it will be in the best interest for us to take him through the grace and the grace of screening. I would have thought that being a man of his caliber, we invite him and deal with him in conversational terms, like the police people will say, in the spirit of desperate they call. I therefore that Mr. Speaker calls that Right Honorable Samson Osagie be invited to this house and be accorded his necessary parliamentary privilege. As so moved.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished honorable colleagues, my name is Honorable Casey Osagie. I represent the good people of Omuande constituency. Before I second the motion ably moved by the minority leader, I want to firstly thank Mr. Governor for deeming it fit to nominate a very senior stakeholder from my constituency as a commissioner designate, and also Attorney General of this dear state. I have the mandate of my people to thank Mr. Governor for this opportunity given to us. Most respected fully, Mr. Speaker, distinguished honorable colleagues, I want to at this point second the motion ably moved by the minority leader to the effect that the nominee before us should take a bow. I so second. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you very much.
Honorable Samson Osagie for his speech thanked the House and assured them say the Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, go dey committed to work for the people of Edo State and he go pursue justice for the state with the nomination.
I'm honored this afternoon to be given the privilege to appear before this August Assembly, where I served between 1999 and 2007. I'm happy to be united by this appointment and nomination by the Senate members of this August Assembly. For me, it is homecoming, and it is an opportunity that I will cherish forever. I want to assure you that Mr. Governor, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, is committed to working for the people of Edo State, and in partnership, very strong one for that, with the elected representatives of the people of this state, which you all are. I also want to assure you that with this nomination of mine as Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Designate, His Excellency's administration will pursue justice for Edo people. We help protect Edo people's rights in all ramifications and ensure that our people have a government and a governance system that is friendly with them and that is ready to work for the benefits of Edo people. Of course, the administration cannot do that without have someone in the legislature which will represent. Once again, Mr. Speaker, I accept my profound gratitude for this honor and privilege that this institution of the Edo State National Assembly is doing to me and by extension to the administration of His Excellency, distinguished Senator Nominee. And this is a signal to show that coming in through an off-cycle election to meet an already established assembly, that this assembly is ready and prepared to work for the benefit of the people.
Speaker Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku talk say Osagie get enough experience sake of say he don serve for different positions, including 2 times for the State and National Assembly House. Agbebaku talk say the decision to clear Osagie na one of the privilege where the former lawmaker go enjoy now as the Attorney General of the state.
Osagie just spoke to us, so I want to put the question: if your agreement that the admission hold by the monetary leader seconded by a member representing one of them who come from our Osagie's constituency, that our Osagie should take a bow. We say aye. Those who say nay. The aye light. Please do not say take a bow. Please. It has declared Honorable Samson Osagie as the Governor of the state.
For another matter, the House don't consider and pass the revised supplementary budget 2024 as the governor requests to make sure say government fit run smoothly.
Distinguished members, there is a letter from the Governor, His Excellency, Monday, Ubewulu, and I will take a Akusa. Please read
Letter addressed the Honorable Speaker of the House of Assembly, chapter presentation of 2024 revised supplementary budget. Only wish to present to you 30 copies of the proposed 2024 revised supplementary budget. So as again, it is necessary that this revised supplementary budget be done to ensure efficient allocation and application of state resources for the good of the Edo. It is my prayer that this request be given a speedy passage, as this will ensure the smooth running of government now and as they continue. Please accept the assurances of my highest regards. Signed, Senator Nominee, Executive Governor of Edo State, dated 30th November 2020.
Thank you, distinguished members. You just heard a request from the Governor. As we all know, the Governor can assume office today, and the state must not be left to the side. I think governance is continuous. That is why this commission revised budget is necessary, very necessary. I think I will refer this revised supplementary budget to the Committee on Appropriation to look at and dot the I's where needed and cross the T's where necessary. Thank you very much, and 1 week report back to this House.
The Assembly come also pass motion wey go urge the state government and the security agencies to address the increasing cases of kidnapping, courtesan and killings wey dey happen for the state. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojesele. TMC TV News.